Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja School online classes. Class 3rd standard, subject EVS, topic materials and matter. Dear children, today in this class we are going to learn what is matter, how matter exists in three forms. What are the properties of matter? All this one we are going to learn in this lesson. Dear children, observe in this picture. Sun, moon, rocks, river, car, tree, boys, all these one are natural things. Observe in a textbook, materials and matter. Everything in this universe is made of something. The sun is made of hot glowing gases. The air is a mixture of gases. The earth is made up of broken down rock. Water is formed when hydrogen reacts with oxygen. We humans are made of cells and tissues. Even plants and animals are made of cells and tissues. Dear children, observe in this picture clay. Clay is a natural thing. Natural material. Bricks are man-made materials. And also observe this plastic beads. These are plastic beads. And rubber mat. This is rubber mat, sand, metal, leather jacket, paper, cement. Materials have certain properties which decide for which products they can be used. Glass, beads, rubber mat, leather jacket, sand, cement, paper, all this one or one object can be made with different materials. If you can see this picture, one object can be made with different materials. This chair is made up of wood and plastic chair is using plastic they are made, and cane chair. These are the materials. Everything around us is matter. What is matter means everything around us is matter. The sun, air, earth, water, plants, tiger, elephant, and we humans are all natural things. Book. Yes, most other things on earth are made by man. Shape, you can see this picture. Shapes, buildings, roads, dams, sofa, pens are man-made things. Okay, you can add 8 more things in the list. You can write another 8 more things in this list. I am written car, table, lamp, shoes, spectacles, train, kite, bag is made by man by using logs of wood, which is a natural thing obtained from trees. Yes, wood is a natural material. Here you can observe in this picture wardrobe and then chair, table. These is made from wood. Wood is a natural material. Air, water made up of matter. This is also air, water, book. This is also made up of matter. Living and non-living things. It may be living thing or it may be non-living things. They have weight and occupies space. You can observe deer also. Deer is a living thing and ball is a non-living thing. This is also both have weight, their own weight, and they will occupy their space. So this is matter. Cat, children, trees, chairs, car, and buildings. Everything that has weight and also occupies space is called matter. Understood, children? Everything that has weight, own weight, okay, and they will occupy the space is called matter. Huts, buildings are made up of bricks, which are made of clay. Clay is a natural material obtained from earth. Brick or man-made. Okay, brick or man-made. Clay is a natural thing. Think and answer. Your school uniform is made of cotton. Cotton is obtained from the cotton plant. Why you cannot wear the cotton plant to school? Yes, directly we cannot wear the cotton plant, no. Yes, you can, can you imagine what it would be like if we all had to wear sheep to stay warm? Yes, if you are wearing in winter season, what you are wearing for cold? To protect cold means you are wearing sweaters, woolen blankets you are covering, no. Why, can you imagine what it would be like if we all had to wear sheep to stay warm? Yes, observe in this picture how children is looking. Yes, they are wearing sheeps only, no. Back of their boys, they are wearing, holding sheeps to protect themselves, to stay warm. Is it possible always to carry sheeps along with us? No. So we are going to wear sweaters and scarf, woolen rugs we are using, no. All this one wool we will get from the sheep. Types of changes in matter: physical changes and chemical changes. Physically change, this picture you can observe it. This jug is changed into different shape, is changed, so this is physical change. Observe this chemical change. Banana is turned into like this black, so it is chemical change. Glass, plastic, rubber, leather, sand, metal, paper, cement are different materials that we use to make things. Different things are made of different materials. Often one object can made with different materials. For example, a chair could be made up of wood, plastic and cane, etc. Vyam's water bottle is made of plastic. Aditi's water bottle is made up of metal. So, why cannot your water bottle be made up of cloth or paper? Yes, they are made up of plastic and metal. Why they are not using water bottle made up of cloth or paper? Yes, materials have certain properties which decide for which products they can be used. Can you wear a shirt made up of paper to school? No, we cannot wear, no? Yes. Cooking food always results in a chemical change. See, observe this eggs. While cooking, after it will change, always results in a chemical change. The change that takes place in matter without forming any new matter is called physical change. This is a physical change. Observe in this picture, children. Juice, lemon juice and tea. In a physical change, the appearance or state changes. Here a water when we freeze the water means it will becomes ice. Water turning into vapor. When we are boiling water means the water turning into vapor. Vapor means steam. You can observe ಒಗೆ ಥರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is steam. Okay. Melting wax. Yes, candle is burning, no? When after burning, what happened? It is melting wax. Toys breaking result in a physical change. Toys, here you can see the toy, it is breaking. This is physical change. See, banana also changes into, this is chemical change. Half a glass of water and take a salt. If you are mixing both half a glass of water and salt, mix it well. Yes, the salt dissolves in water and we can no longer see it. If you keep separately means we can see the salt. If you are mixing half glass of water, that salt dissolves in the water and we cannot see that, no longer see it. The liquid into which a solute dissolves is called a solvent. A solvent means ಕರಗಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is solvent. Solution, solute. Not all solids are solutes. All the solids are not dissolves. Sand, mud, insoluble substances. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Sand and mud, these are the insoluble substances. Lemon and coffee seeds, Coca-Cola, salt, wax, and this is toy breaking. These are the physical changes and chemical changes. matter, living, non-living. Cow is a living thing and table pens are non-living things. Natural rivers are natural thing and cars and homes are man-made things. Everything or substances that exist in nature is made up of matter. It may be living thing or man-made thing or natural thing or non-living things. All these are occupy space. No, these are natural. This is called matter. A table, chair, jug of water, plant, insect, animal, honey, air, cloud. All this one they will occupy the space and they have own weight. So this is matter. Matter can exist in three states. Matter can exist in three states. Solid. Solid means hammer, you can observe it. Hammer is a very thick weight and it has weight also. And you can observe milk. Milk is a liquid. Matter exists in solid form and liquid form and gaseous form. Matter exists in three types. Okay, matter can exist in three states. Yes, all matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. These are molecules, tiny molecules you can observe in this picture. No, in solid molecules they are very near to the near. So in liquid matter you can observe in this picture they are little bit far away, and gaseous it is little bit only few particles are there. These are the matter: solid, liquid and gaseous matter. Matter can exist in three states, whether it is solid, liquid and gaseous. Molecules are microscopic but are constantly in motion. Ice cubes, wood, copper, iron, aluminium are examples of solid. These are the examples of solid. Matter has a certain shape and occupies a definite shape. Observe this picture. That boy and he is holding book. All the behind him also so many books are there. These are the matter. Matter occupies the space, definite shape. Liquids can be poured into a vessel and take a shape of that vessel. Liquids we cannot hold, no liquids. It needs containers. Liquids can be poured into a vessel, any type of vessel. It will get that shape only, shape of that vessel. Molecules of solid are tightly packed. See, observe this ball. These molecules are tightly packed. Okay, they are very near particles. Okay. Liquid and gaseous matter is in which the molecules are very loosely packed. In gaseous matter, it very loosely packed. Gases flow more easily than liquids. No definite shape is there for gas. So, gas flow more easily than liquids. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen. Gases flow more easily than liquids. These are the example for gaseous matter. Yes, ice, water, vapor. Ice is a solid. Okay, when we freeze that water, it will become ice. When we cool it, that will become again water. And also when we boil the water, it is a water. It becomes water vapor. Matter can exist in different states. That whether it is gaseous or liquid or solid. It's water vapor. On heating, ice or solid. Ice is a solid and water is liquid. Water vapor is called gaseous matter. On cooling, water vapor, gas, water vapor. On cooling, water vapor, it becomes water. Water is a liquid and ice is a solid state of matter. Incense stick, gas melt. Okay, that is smoke you can observe. Children, that smoke is a gas. Gas has no shape. It has no shape. Okay. It takes the shape of the container it is filled it. When we blow the balloon and a vehicle's tube, no, at that time it takes the shape of container which filled it. Ice melts on heating and turns into water. When ice is melting, that time it will turn into water. Water, when we heat it, forms of water vapor. When we boil the water, it turns into a water vapor. And further cooling it, it turns into ice. When we freeze, keep the water in freezer means what happens? Yes, it will turn into ice. Candle is made up of wax. Yes, ice cream is made from milk. Okay, ice cream is made from milk. Ice cream melts and milk also it will separates. When we ice cream is melting, no, that time milk comes separately. Matter normally does not change its state on its own unless some external pressure or force is applied or its temperature is changed. Glass, plastic, rubber, leather, sand, metal, paper, cement are different materials that we use to make things. Different things are made up of different materials. Often one object can be made with different materials. For example, a chair could be made up of wood, plastic or cane. Why cannot we wear water bottle be made up of cloth or paper? Yes, water cannot hold the water. Okay, when we pour the water, it will occupy the bottle shape only or container shape only. Right, that material each thing is made up of. Observe children in this picture. Door handle is there, no, that is made up of wood and iron. Here fan you can observe it. It is made up of iron and plastic. Here nail is made up of iron and brass. And here is clay pot. It is made up of clay and bag is made up of leather. And here you can see the glass and wood. Window, it is made up of glass and wood. And eraser, plastic and iron. And glass, here you can see the tube light that is made up of glass and aluminium. And book is made up of paper and granite and wood or plastic. Slate is made up of granite, wood or plastic. Shut your eyes. What is matter? Shut your eyes tight and quickly write down the first 10 objects that you come to in your mind in the 5 minutes. Okay, you should write their names. Tree, parents, pencil, elephant, cycle, sparrow, chair and butterfly, fish. Now write L for living and NL for non-living in each. Compare your list with your parents. Tick the objects that are common in your list. Now one of you take a chalk and draw the outline of your book on desk. Hold your book high above your head using both your hands. As soon as the teacher claps, put down your book inside the outline on your desk. Could both of you fit your book inside the outline? Yes or no? You do this activity in home and write why it is not fits. Okay children, next. If you first you should draw the outline. First you take a book and take a chalk and draw the outline of your book on the desk. And hold your book high above your head using both hands. Yes. Could you both of you fit your book inside the outline? Yes, you can fit it. Okay. Amy and Tiny are very good friends. One day Tiny comes to Amy enclosure all excited. He had spent the entire morning watching children playing seesaw in a school. Ernie patiently tries to explain to Tiny that they cannot play seesaw, but Tiny is adamant. Then Ernie says softly, "I have weight," to which Tiny replies very proudly, "I too heavy, I too have weight." Okay, here they are children playing. No, that time Amy Ernie and Tiny. Tiny means small rat and elephant. Ernie is a big elephant and rat is too tiny, no? So they cannot play that. Both of you cannot play. As Tiny as excited about playing to seesaw with his best friend, Ernie gave in and went with Tiny to nearby park. Yes, both are playing no Ernie and Tiny. Ernie is elephant. Okay, elephant is too heavy and Tiny is too small. Okay, they cannot match the both weight. Can you guess how many Tinies would be needed to lift Ernie off the ground? Approximately you can write 10,000 to 15,000 because elephant weighs that much. Okay, if you keep that 10,000 to 15,000 tinies, so that time they will both will be equal. The occupied space. It is non-living thing. The book is occupied space, but it is a non-living things. Elephant and Tiny have weight. They are living things. So, elephant and rat have weight. They are living things. So, whether a thing is living or non-living, it has weight and occupies space. Whether book or elephant or rat, they are all living or non-living. It has weight and occupies the space. There is air, there is water, and there are objects in the world. Air, water, and objects are very different from each other, but there is something which is common in them. What is that difference? Yes, they are having own weight and they will occupy the space. That is the difference. Take the heavier object in each pair. You can observe two bags are there. One bag is filled with books. Another bag is empty. Which bag is heavier? Which is heavier? That one you have to tick it. Here, tick it, children. Yes, another one picture. Two glass is there. One glass is filled with milk. Another glass is empty. Which is heavier? Yes, filled glass is heavier. That one you have to tick it. Next picture. Two balls are there. Football. One ball is filled with air. Another one ball is empty. So, this big ball you have to tick it. Now give one word answer. What made the bag heavier or books? Yes, book is heavier, so you have to tick it. The glass heavier, water. Which glass is heavier? Water. Heavier glass. Yes, water is there. No, that glass is heavier. The football heavier or air? Yes, air is heavier. Filled with air, no, that ball is heavier. You have to tick it. This shows that books, water, air has weight. Yes, book is a solid and glass is a liquid and gaseous. Football, it is in gas, no air. That is gaseous state of matter. Yes, Palash put his books into the bag. He had no space to even put his tiffin box in it. All the space was occupied by his books. You have to write there, books. Arrow was very thirsty and she filled her glass to the brim with water. She wanted to add some lemon squash to it. She could not do it. All the space was occupied by water. Saad had filled air in the football. He had to take it to school the next day. Amina and Kini watched Saad filling air as the ball grew bigger and she wanted to try doing it too. But before she could even touch the ball, Saad stopped her as no more air could be go into it. The ball has tight. All empty space was occupied by what? Air. You have to write there air. Books, water, air have weight. Books, water, air occupies space also. They have books, water, air have weight and also books, water, air they will occupy the space also. Understood children? Yes. Everything that has weight and occupies the space is called matter. What is matter means? Everything that has weight and occupies the space is called matter. Understood, children, what is matter means? Yes, we learnt in this lesson. Now, solids, liquids, gaseous. Water exists in three forms. You all know that water exists in three forms, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Yes, this is ice. It is the solid form of the water. Solid form of the water. Ice is the solid form of the water. This is water. As we know it is in the liquid form. It is in the liquid form. And this is steam. You can observe it. This is steam. It is in the gaseous form of water. There you write gaseous. Let us understand what we mean by the terms solid, liquid and gas. Let us understand. Okay, think of a loaf of bread, a cheese cube, a book, a cupboard, a rupee 10 coin, a nail, a pebble, a cushion, a tub. These are all made up of different materials. Some of them are soft and some of them are hard. Do any of these change their space or size? Yes. My shape changed because the rat ate me. Yes. Cheese is changed the shape because rat ate, no? Yes. You may shift them from one room to another. Keep them in a park or on a beach. This space and size will remain as it is. Anything that has fixed shape and size is called a solid. Understood, children? Anything that has fixed shape, any chair, table or cheese, rat, all these one, anything that has fixed shape and size is called a solid. Okay, there are three types of matter: solid, liquid and gaseous. Solids and liquids. Amina had learned to make lemonade in school that evening. When everyone was watching television before dinner, she quietly slipped into the kitchen and prepared lemonade in a deep bowl. Then she tried to open the crockery cupboard but could not reach it. She poured the lemonade into these. The lemonade took the shape of the container in which it has poured. It had no shape of its own. Yes. Amina poured all this juice in the different containers. Okay. She poured the lemonade into this. The lemonade took shape which containers, different containers she put. No, it will take the shape of its own. The container is filled with lemonade juice. The lemonade is made up of lemon. Can you pour the lemon? Can you pour the lemon? Yes or no? Yes. You can put it into a glass of mug, glass, tub, cup, but you cannot pour it. Also, the lemon stays as it is in the container. It does not change its shape according to the shape of the container. The lemonade cannot change the shape. Okay, lemon is a solid. Lemonade is a liquid. Okay, lemon is a solid and lemonade is a liquid. Lemon juice we call, no, that is a liquid. Lemonade is a liquid. Water, milk, oil, fruit juices, vinegar, etc. are the liquids. Liquids and gases. Pour a cup of water on the floor. It will spread but it will not cover the entire floor. It will definitely not cover the entire room. But if the gas stove is not switched off properly, the gas from the pipes or cylinder will quickly spread all over the room. Yes, if you pour the cup of water on the floor means it will spread only, but it not cover all entire the floor. But it will definitely not cover the entire room. But if we gas stove is switched off, not switched off means that time what happen, children? Yes, the gas from pipe or cylinder will quickly spread all over the room. Yes, please switch off me properly and always double check your work. Okay, see, she is pouring water. It won't spread all over the floor, but we are forget to switch off the Gas stove means that time the gas will spread quickly all over the room. Okay, liquids. You can change the matter. Liquids will always flow downwards and sideways. Yes, air is nothing but a mixture of four gases, mainly oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor surrounding of earth. It is invisible because the gases are pure. Some other gases together, the smoke, ash, dust, etc. make it impure. We call this air pollution. Yes, like liquids, liquid too, air too has no shape. Air also has no shape. It takes the shape of the container it is filled it. Yes, if you fill the air it has not definite shape. When it fill this different kinds of containers, it will fill in it. Observe in this picture tires, balloons and bags and the water bottle. It will, when we fill it will contains the container shape only. Okay, but matter can change from one state to another. Mummy takes out a juice tray and packed frozen corn from the freezer, packet of pizza and from the fridge, and two tomatoes from the crisper. She also takes out of a soda bottle. She pours the soda into a she pours the soda into a glass, but there before she could add some sherbet into it, her phone rang. By the time she turned into the kitchen, half an hour had gone by. The ice cubes in the tray had disappeared. What happens? Disappeared means ice cubes of the tray, it will melt. Okay, ice cubes are solid. When we cools means that time it will be it melts means it will become water. The dash are soft, chips are soft, and tomatoes are become warmer. Tomatoes are become normal temperature. The soda has lost its fizz and become flat. Matter normally does not change its state on its own unless some external pressure or force is applied or its temperature is changed. Solids and liquids can become soft or hard, hot or cold, firm or limp, but under normal conditions, the state will remain as it is. Ice will melt when left outside to become water. Water will evaporate due to sun's natural heat to become water vapor, that is gas. Water vapor will cool from the water when it comes in contact with a cool surface. Water exists in how many types, children? Water exists in three states in nature, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Yes. What happens when you light a candle? Yes. The wax near the flame starts melting and begins to flow down. I am very hot. Don't ever try to touch me. Yes. Candle is very hot. No, I telling. Don't try to touch me. Candle is made of wax and wax is a solid in its natural state. A candle just kept outside will not melt unless lit. Ice cream is frozen milk. Milk is a liquid in its natural state. That is why if an ice cream is left outside, it will melt become milk again. But it will never evaporate. Okay, also milk will never become ice cream on its own. Even when it becomes very cold in winter, it will freeze but it will not become ice cream. Yes, I hope everybody understood this lesson. Now understand, glance at the point. Now I know everything in this universe is made up of something. Different objects are made up of different materials. Materials have different properties which decide for which products they can be used. Air, water, and objects all are very different from each other, but there is something which is common in them. They all have weight and occupy space. Everything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Matter exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have fixed shape and size. Liquids do not have fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are put. Liquids can be poured. Liquids flow. Solids do not flow. Gas flows in all directions. It fills up all available space only. Water exists in all three states in nature. I hope everybody understood this lesson, children. Read this lesson once. Thank you.